ups? You need some gripe water? Oh, I can't close it. There we go. Here you go. Here, there's a little bit more in there.